Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today, I just wanted to give you a reminder that my latest prize draw, where you can win the brand new 1/32 scale Meteor from Revell, finishes at the end of 20th December 2025 UK time. This new Gloster Meteor F8 kit from Revell has had rave reviews, and at 1/32 scale brings you amazing detail while still being very buildable. The kit on offer here is the first edition set, of which just 3,000 have been made worldwide. This includes the kit itself, along with a paint mask set, pre-painted photo etch, an A3 reproduction sales poster, and a reference book on the Meteor by the world-renowned Duke Hawkins. The set has a recommended retail price of £110. Even the best discounters will still charge you around £95. However, many outlets are reporting that stocks are running out, even claiming that Revell themselves have no more. So this is a rare opportunity to own a landmark plastic kit. To be in with a chance of winning, all you have to do is go to this website. You can follow the QR code if you prefer, or follow the link in the information box. Tickets for the draw are £1 each, and there are multi-buy offers available if you wish to increase your chances. Best of all, 10% of the revenue from this draw will be sent to Models to Heroes. A link to this very excellent charity is in the information box. Once the draw closes at midnight, my online partner, Revell, independently and at random, will draw the winning ticket. I'll contact the winner by email, so make sure your registered email is correct. I'll post the kit to you at my own expense, no matter where you live. So don't delay, get your ticket before the end of 20th December 2025 for a chance to win. Thanks so much for watching today, and the very best of luck to you if you've entered the draw. Goodbye.